Hey guys, I thought I would talk through all the tools that I used, Mercruiser special tools I used for the transom assembly install and engine install and alignment. So here's what I've got. Few things sitting here. First up, this is the torque wrench I used. I just did the AutoZone loan tool program. They charged me like 80 bucks. I bring it back, they give it back to me. One of the things you don't see here is the bearing puller. I did the same thing. I believe they charged me 100 for that, and I already returned that, and they gave me my money back. So those two tools. And then I mentioned on my thread earlier that I had bought this kit off eBay that included all these pieces: the alignment bar plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other items. So it was a 6-piece kit that I grabbed. I thought it was a good deal, but in reality, I didn't use all the pieces. Now, of course, the alignment bar is critical, so that was obviously a great purchase. The other thing that I really counted on was this collar here. What actually happens is it slides on the end of the alignment bar, and then I can tap the bearing into place. So that was excellent. Now, a fellow could probably fabricate something and not need to use this right here, but that seemed to go real well on the end of that alignment bar. The other pieces I didn't use so much. First off, this is the bellows, exhaust bellows expander tool. Now I went with the bellows tube, so I didn't use this at all. Now I may find that I don't like the tube at all. It may be too loud or whatever, and so I may switch over to the exhaust bellows, and obviously that would be huge. That tool would be huge for that. Here's the hinge pin removal tool. And I used this, but I could have gotten away with a 1/2-inch Allen tool just cut off. That would have been used. I could have used that just fine. These other two pieces, this here is I believe used for Alpha 1 Gen 2, and I think it's to put the snap ring in place. Now I just have the Alpha 1, so I didn't use this at all. I think that's what it's used for. Now this guy here, I think, I'm not positive on this, but I believe the intention is that a fella would line this up on the alignment bar and actually drill a hole through the alignment bar for this bolt right here. Slide that in place, lock it down, and it's to be used as a gimbal bearing removal tool, I think. I'm not positive on that. I was not about to start drilling holes in that bar and that sort of thing. It just didn't make sense to me, so I didn't use that at all. So anyway, that was the kit. That's what I used. That's what I didn't use. Of course, I got my grease and my bellows adhesive. Super important stuff. The other thing that was certainly worth its weight in gold is this flexible shaft screwdriver here. There would have been no possible way that I could have gotten in and locked down some of those clamps in the transom assembly. There's just no way. So that was a good one. Anyway, just thought I'd talk that through. Have a good one, guys.